Let's learn more about how to add and remove items from arrays. We'll continue with our shopping list. Our shopping list is empty right now, but we can use some JavaScript building methods to change that. We want to eat some eggs for breakfast tomorrow, so let's add them to the grocery list. Let grocery list equals empty array, and then grocery list push eggs. The push method appends the item to the end of the array. Now, we also remember we want to eat some sausages with eggs and need some ketchup. So grocery list push sausages, comma, ketchup. And let's check what push method returns. Let push result equals grocery list push sausages and ketchup. As you can see, we can append multiple items using the push method. The method also returns the length of the new array. Now, we were about to go out and head to the shop, but we just remembered that we are out of coffee. And this is the most important item, so we want to add it to the beginning of our list. The push method appends items to the end of the array. So in this case, let's use another method called unshift, like this. Let unshift result equals grocery list unshift coffee. Unshift works similarly to push, except it adds an item to the beginning of the array. It also returns the length of the array as the result. We finally got to the shop and we found ketchup in one of the aisles, so we want to remove this item from the array now. To remove the last element of the array, we can use the pop method, which removes the last item from the array and returns this item as result, modifying the array length as a side effect. Let's check it out. Let ketchup equals grocery list pop. And now grocery list doesn't have ketchup anymore, and ketchup was returned as a result. In the next aisle, we found coffee, so now we want to remove it from our list too. To remove an item from the beginning of the array, let's use the shift method like this. Let coffee equals grocery list shift. Shift removes the first item from the array and returns it as the result, modifying the array contents as a side effect. Finally, we found the rest of the items on our shopping list, so let's remove them. We have 2 items still left on the list. We could use pop or shift 2 times, but this would be inefficient. Instead, we can use another method to remove multiple elements at once, like this. Grocery list, splice, 0, 2. And let's check the result as well. So let's splice result. Splice will remove multiple elements from the array at once. The first parameter is the start index, and the second parameter is the number of elements we want to remove. And now our list is empty again. Okay, let's practice what we have learned. Here is an exercise for you. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. Here is an example solution. Let grocery list equals empty array, and let's add bread and butter to the end of the list like this. Grocery list push bread, butter. To add hand soap and toothpaste to the beginning of the list, we can use unshift method like this. Grocery list unshift hand soap, toothpaste. Now, to remove hand soap and toothpaste from the list, we can use splice method like so. Grocery list splice 0, 2. And finally, to remove butter from the list, so there is only bread left, let's use pop method. Grocery list pop.